So the VIZIO TV, this is the version 2022 that I bought, and I just up updated the software. So it just had a software update. So this VIZIO is now the same as any other new VIZIO TVs out there, because I have updated the software to 2024. So I'm gonna show you how to quickly set up your AirPlay to your VIZIO TV. So it's gonna be from your iPhone. So this is Apple AirPlay. It's just for iPhones. So basically, you'll just have your remote, and from your remote, from home, like before you hit home, like you just hit home and scroll down to AirPlay. It's gonna be one of the options. So you just have to make sure that the phone, the iPhone, iPad, or Mac that you have is connected to the same internet, right? And then what you'll do is go to, so for this example, I'm going to YouTube on my channel, and then you click a video. So I click on a video, and then on the top, you see that symbol there. You will click that. So in the TV, it tells you which symbol to click and what to click for the name of the TV. So I just did that, and then I hit living room because that's the name of the VIZIO TV. And here it is. You see it in action. The video that is from my phone is now onto the VIZIO TV. So it's even gonna tell you on your phone, ask you, did you want to sign in to YouTube on the VIZIO TV instead, or do you want to continue using your phone for AirPlay? So you can just hit play to do it, to just continue watching, which I am doing right now. So when you hit the play symbol, it's just going to continue playing in your VIZIO TV. And then it's very easy to stop it as well. You'll just have to click on that same symbol for AirPlay and then hit this device. So now it's no longer playing on your VIZIO TV. On your VIZIO TV, it's just gonna default to you being asked to log in to YouTube, since that's what I'm watching right now. Again, go to that, go pick a video, example in YouTube, and hit the AirPlay symbol on the top. And then your VIZIO TV will also tell you that you are now connected to an iPhone. And then you can continue watching that video that you want on a big screen from your iPhone. There it is. I'm just having you see it again.